Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The sum of two numbers is given as 123 and their difference is given 17. So we have to find these numbers. So first of all we'll assume that the two numbers that we have to find out is let x and y. So now according to question we can say that it is given the sum of these number is 123. So x plus y is 123. Let this be first equation. Similarly, the difference is given as 17. Let this be second equation. Now, if we'll add equation 1 and 2, what we can get? We can see if we add y will be cancelled and we'll get 2x in the left hand side, and in the right hand side we'll get 123 plus 17 which will give 140. So from here we obtained x as 70, therefore y can be written as 123 minus x. So x is 70, so y is 1, we can say 123 minus 70 is 53. Therefore our numbers are 70 and 53. So now let's check the option. 70 and 53 is option A. So we can say that the answer is option A.